We're testing the water here just before we put the material in this bin, and making sure that we've got enough water flow here to wash the material down, and it'll go through the separator here, and then I've just started up right now, and then back into the pulsator here. The material now is being washed through this large screen, and you can see the colour of the water down here working through the pulsator. So any sapphire now is being separated out in this part of the wash plant down here. You can see the mechanicals working here on the sapphire plant. The water coming in on the blue hose here and coming up into the system here through this particular part of the plant here, takes all the rough material out and then washes. This is where the sapphire ends up. I'm walking up to the part that separates out, it's called the trommel, the part that separates the big rocks out. You can see them dropping down here. That's basically waste product, and that'll go back into the place where it's mined and for reclamation work. And Peter's still up there on the plant washing the material down. So I'm going to walk around here now and come to this side of the wash plant, and now you can see the pulsator working here, cleaning the material. And here we go, we're at the bottom end of the pulsator now. Some pictures of the pulsator working. See the water flowing down back into the dam. So Peter's cleaning out the pulsator here, or at least starting to, taking all the rough material off. And Peter, tell us what you're doing, mate.
Well, cleaning out the jig, mate. See where we went.
Right. So basically looking for sapphires. Is that what you're about? Yeah. Start at the top here.
Start at the first tray, work your way down. Yeah.
I see. Okay.
Doesn't mean there's going to be any in it.
No, indeed. There's a lot of
dirt mixed with them.
A lot of dirt and gravel, eh?
Yeah.
And not too many sapphires.
No. But that's mining.
That is mining, eh? So you got a few bits and pieces of gear here that you've got sorted specifically for the job. This
this
all little
built
scoop.
For the job.
Yeah.
All built for the job.
A little bit about the normal running of the pulsator and the actual washing machine, wash plant, if you like. Tell us what you normally would do.
We usually run it for 9 hours, and we clean out the pulsator at about 5 o'clock.
Right.
The water recycles into the dam.
Right.
The plant recycles about 120,000 litres an hour. The oversize gets dumped, and it'll be levelled off as restoration.
Yep.
And
okay. So it's basically a full day operation. You come here and then you clean it out at the end of the day and see what the results have been, eh?
Yeah, and then you take it home and put it on the sorting tables.
Yep. Okay. You've cleaned out 2 or 3 of these trays here, and you've managed to get a few pieces in your hand here. What do you come up with here? A couple of nice little pieces.
Yeah. There's a yellow.
Yeah.
There's a green.
All right.
And a couple of reasonable blues. This one here will cut a nice little teal.
Okay.
And these are just low grade.
Yeah.
And that's sapphire mining. Your percentage of recovery is about that.
Yeah.
That's your good,
amazing,
your bad.
Isn't it? Amazing.
Yeah. So you've got to put a lot of dirt through
to
make a quid out of it.
Yeah. Well, thanks, Peter.
My pleasure.